So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Glaze, and in this video I'm going to show you a sugary nail sugar effect, glittery, sparkly, summery effect nail. I really hope you are going to enjoy this video and you learn something. Before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my Instagram, my Facebook and my TikTok. I will put everything in the screen so you can go ahead and follow me, show me some love, and then come back and watch this video. So this was a blue glitter that I had on my web shop that I've mixed with some clear acrylic, some hollow glitter. Pretty. So yeah, I've mixed it with some clear acrylic, but before I'm going to apply the glitter, I will applying a thin layer of clear acrylic. This is to prevent any staining or any lifting. Staining from the color from the glitter or any acrylic that you're going to apply. So I always do that. I have a video on how to prep nails. I will put that one in the description box below for you guys if you haven't seen that one. So yeah, I'm going to do that on all the 10 nails, and then we are going to apply the blue acrylic. So now we are going to apply the blue acrylic, the blue glitter that we have mixed with some clear acrylic. And always apply the acrylic when you are pointing the finger downwards, so gravity can help you and the acrylic will go downwards and it won't leak into your cuticle area. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm applying it on all the 10 nails, and this is just like I'm doing with normal acrylic. I don't apply the bead directly at the cuticle area. I always like to apply the bead of acrylic a little bit further, and then using my flat brush to like dab, press into the cuticle area. So that's what I'm going to do. I will also link my brush in the description box below for you guys. And I get a lot of questions about my flat brush and how I keep it flat. The only thing that I do is when I'm done using my acrylic, I always clean my brush like on a dry paper towel, and I press it together to get it flat, I guess. I don't do much, so I just like to keep it flat when I'm done. I'm just pressing it together so it's flat. So yeah, that's how I keep my brush flat. And so I'm going to apply this glitter on all the 10 nails. So this is how the nails look after applying only the glitter mixed with some clear acrylic. And next I'm going to encapsulate all the 10 nails with some clear acrylic. So I would like to thank you if you're still here watching with me. I really appreciate every one of you guys. And let me know by commenting a blue hearted emoji in the description box below so I know that you're still here watching with me. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for doing that. And the word that I'm going to learn you guys today from my language Papiamento, which is from the island Curacao, is cabay. And cabay means hair. So next I'm using my medium grit bit to perfect the shape and also to smooth down the nails. I will put the link of the video and how to use your drill and some tips and tricks to use your e-file and shape the nails the best. I will put a link in the video in the description box below if you haven't seen that video yet. And yeah, you guys. So next I'm going in with my tapered bit into the cuticle area. So I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape. So this is how the nails look after filing, buffing, and cleaning them with some alcohol. And next I'm going in with the sugary part. I'm using my clear rubber gel from the gel bottle to apply on the nails, on all the 10 nails. I'm using a thicker layer than normal, not a really thin layer, because I really like the glitters to have something to stick on. So I applied a little bit thicker than normally, not too thick, but a little bit thicker. So I'm applying it on all the 10 nails, and after that I will be sprinkling some glitter, a raw glitter, without mixing with clear acrylic, only the raw glitter over the gel top coat. So now I'm like sprinkling the glitter over the gel top coat that is not cured yet, so it can stick to the top coat. I'm doing that on all the 10 nails, one layer first, and then I will just dust the excess off. And now I'm picking some extra on for this nail. So I'm going to do that on all the 10 nails, and because the gel is a little thicker than normal, it will like run at the sides. So I will like swipe my fingers at the sides so I don't mess up the shape when I'm done applying one coat first and all the nails. Make sure you have glitters on all the corners of the nails. So I'm doing that first for one layer, and then I'm going it with my fingers and swiping at these sides. You will see what I'm seeing in a couple of seconds. So I'm swiping my fingers at the sides because I've used a thicker layer. So here you can see that I'm already doing it. So I'm doing that after that on all the 10 nails. So now I'm like swiping at these sides, and then I will get some more glitter and sprinkle it again, because the top coat will like suck up the first layer of the glitter. So that's why I'm like cleaning the sides first and applying the glitter the second time. And if you think that somewhere you have to press on the nail gently, really gently, to get the glitter where you want it to be, you will see me doing that in this footage sometimes, that I like press the glitter a little bit on the nails into the gel top coat. So yeah, and yeah, you guys, I've not cured yet. I will cure. So I will cure the nails after I'm completely happy with the placement of the glitter and the amount of glitter that I have on the nails. So I didn't cure the nails yet. So now you can see me like dab the glitter into the top coat and like cleaning the sides. So look how pretty I've cured the nails under my lamp, and now I'm using like a old brush to get the excess glitter off and like cleaning the sides. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and after that I will apply some cuticle oil, and then you will see the result. So this is the final result, you guys. Look how pretty, sugary, glittery, summery. Love it. Really pretty. Make sure you cure the nails properly under your lamp so every corner of the nail and the glitter will cure properly. So yeah, this is the sugar effect, you guys. A nice set for the summer. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see in my next videos. Congratulations, Soraya Samuel. Congratulations, you are the winner of the giveaway. Congratulations. Let me know on Instagram. Send me a text on Instagram so I know that you have won the giveaway, so we can discuss some things, your address, so I can send you the package, and let me know in a week. Otherwise, I will be giving this giveaway to another person. And from the last giveaway, I didn't received any message from Tania Wilson, I think. So girl, go ahead and watch that other video if you want that giveaway. Otherwise, in 2 days I will be giving the giveaway to another person. I'm sorry, but let me know. So in my next video from Friday, I will pick another winner if you have not connect me yet. So go ahead on Instagram and let me know. So yeah guys, this was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have liked this video. I really hope you have learned something. Congrats to the winner. Thank you so much for watching and participating and subscribing and following. You know, thank you so much. And you guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Share this video with everybody, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.